The Bermuda Triangle is a vast region in the North Atlantic Ocean, infamous for its association with mysterious disappearances and unexplained phenomena. It stretches between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, covering roughly 500,000 square miles of ocean. Despite its large size, the Bermuda Triangle is not marked on official maps, but its reputation for strange events has made it a topic of global fascination. Today, let's take an in-depth journey through this enigmatic area, uncovering fascinating facts and theories about the Bermuda Triangle that will truly capture your imagination. First, let's rewind to the 15th century. Christopher Columbus, the famous explorer, had some unusual experiences while navigating the waters in the Bermuda Triangle. During his voyages to the New World, he reported seeing mysterious lights and experiencing erratic compass readings. Picture being one of the first sailors in uncharted territories and encountering unexplained phenomena. It must have been both thrilling and unnerving. Columbus's observations were among the earliest signs that the Bermuda Triangle had a reputation for being different from other regions. Fast forward to December 5, 1945, and you'll find one of the most intriguing cases related to the Bermuda Triangle. Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers on a routine training mission, vanished without a trace. The pilots, led by Lieutenant Charles Taylor, reported being lost and low on fuel. Despite a massive search operation, neither the planes nor their crew were ever found. And get this, a rescue plane sent to find them also disappeared. Just imagine the sense of confusion and fear that must have gripped everyone involved. This incident remains one of the most mysterious and talked about events linked to the Bermuda Triangle. Here's another fascinating story. In March 1918, the USS Cyclops, a Navy cargo ship, disappeared while traveling from Barbados to Baltimore. The vessel was heavily loaded with manganese ore and had over 300 crew members on board. Despite being a well-known ship, it never reached its destination, and no wreckage was ever discovered. Can you imagine a ship and its crew vanishing without leaving a single trace behind? It adds an extra layer of mystery to the Bermuda Triangle's reputation. Let's dive into a more recent case, the SS Marine Sulphur Queen. In February 1963, this tanker ship, carrying molten sulfur, disappeared while en route from the Gulf of Mexico to Norfolk, Virginia. The ship was last reported near the Bermuda Triangle, and despite extensive search efforts, no trace of the vessel or its crew was found. Considering the hazardous nature of the cargo, it's intriguing to wonder if a sudden disaster or an extraordinary event could have led to its disappearance. Now, here's a story that will really blow your mind. In December 1967, the Witchcraft, a cabin cruiser, vanished just a mile off the coast of Miami. The boat had called for assistance, but by the time rescue teams arrived, there was no sign of it. Picture being so close to shore and suddenly having your boat disappear without a trace. It's hard to fathom how such a thing could happen, especially when it was so close to safety. Let's explore some theories that might surprise you. One common theory is that many of the incidents in the Bermuda Triangle can be attributed to human error. The region is known for its challenging weather conditions and heavy maritime and aerial traffic. Navigating these waters can be tricky, leading to mistakes that result in accidents or disappearances. Another theory revolves around weather phenomena. The Bermuda Triangle is notorious for its unpredictable and violent weather. Sudden storms, high waves, and powerful currents can create dangerous conditions for ships and planes. Imagine being caught off guard by a sudden storm with no way to escape. It's easy to see how such conditions could contribute to the region's mysterious reputation. Here's a theory that might seem a bit far-fetched, but is still fascinating. Methane hydrates. Scientists suggest that methane gas, which can erupt from the ocean floor, might play a role in some of the Bermuda Triangle's disappearances. These eruptions create massive bubbles that reduce the density of the water, causing ships to sink rapidly. The presence of these gas deposits could help explain some of the mysterious vanishings in the Bermuda Triangle. Did you know that the Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where magnetic compass variations are a significant issue? These variations can cause navigational errors, making it difficult for pilots and sailors to find their way accurately. Imagine trying to navigate with a compass that's not pointing true north. It could lead to serious confusion and disorientation. Here's another astonishing fact. The Gulf Stream, a powerful ocean current, flows through the Bermuda Triangle. This current is capable of quickly carrying away debris from wrecks, making it challenging to find evidence of shipwrecks or plane crashes. The speed and strength of the Gulf Stream might explain why so many wrecks and crashes remain undiscovered. The Bermuda Triangle still grabs attention because of its mysterious history and strange events. While some of the stories might seem unbelievable, modern science helps explain many of the disappearances. The combination of old legends and new discoveries keeps the Bermuda Triangle an interesting topic to explore.